This is a great way of stretching your hips, your piriformis. If you can't do a lying down pigeon, cross one leg over the other thigh, not the knee. Make sure the foot is flexed. That will protect your knee joint. Then you walk your hands in a little closer toward you, breathing, and try and straighten your back. So you're basically drawing your heart up, and this will really intensify that stretch in that hip and in that glute. Okay, just ease out a little bit. Over to the other side. Remember, the foot goes on the thigh, not on the knee. Flex the foot, the upper foot. That'll keep a nice right angle at the knee. And then you're walking your hands a little closer towards you and try and draw your heart up. Okay, now this is my favorite thing of all time, a foam roller. Just to really break up the myofascial tissue. And this really, really helps for me with tight hips, glutes, and low back. So I'm in that original position with the knee crossed over, and I'm just rolling out the glute on that foam roller. And it feels so, so good. You can do this in front of the TV, but I so recommend getting a foam roller. And then, of course, you would go to the other side. And then finally, get a block or a yoga brick and place it on the wall behind you, or in this case, a step, and just sit back so your sacrum is supported. Bring your feet together in Baddha Konasana, or just drawing your soles of your feet together if you don't know the Sanskrit terminology. And then gently draw your heart forward. Don't come all the way forward so you're rounding your low back. You just draw the heart forward and draw the inner thighs down towards the floor. And that is it, my lovely friends. Enjoy.